Everyone. So if you are seeing this video, that means that you have seen like the first two, which is about what is Arabic and the brief history of Arabic. But today is special because this Arabic script, the episode number 3 of the series, going to introduce the Arabic language. I mean the letters, the vowels, the diacritic, which is we call it tashkil, and other main ideas about Arabic. So yeah, let's start this video where I am going to explain some linguistic analysis of the Arabic script components. I am going to talk about digital encoding, the text input, the display mechanisms, and some of the NLP techniques for managing like unique features of the Arabic script. We have also this called computational task, but I am going to leave it for next video. So Arabic scripts, and yeah, I am going to explain these ideas, and I'm trying to make it as simple as possible. So what you see in this figure is what we call it the letter form. Okay, so in the Arabic script we have letter form and we have letter mark. Okay, for the letter form, this is the basic visual foundations of Arabic letters. As you can see here, some letters start from the initial, some of them introduced in the middle, and some of them in the final. So this is how are the forms of the letters, okay? If it's written from the beginning or from the middle or from the end of the word, okay? Now we have the letter mark. The main things are dots. As you can see here, we have dots here, here, and here. And these dots are marks that distinguish letters by appearing above or below them. So we have like only one dot or two, and the maximum is 3. Nice. Then we have the short kaf, which we call it kaf, which is a short kaf, which is a special form of the letter, the whole letter, which is called also kaf, with a shortening shape, okay? And then we have hamza, and this is like a mark indicating the glottal stop, placed above or below the letters. And also we have this special, which we call it madda, which is like a wavy line above alif, only this letter alif, okay? And indicate the extended vowel sound. So it's like not okay? Now, this form plus, the letter form plus the letter mark makes the specific combinations of letter forms and letter mark, resulting in 36 letters of the Arabic alphabet used to write the MSA. I know we have like 28 letters in Arabic, but plus these Hamza and all its positions, so above the these letters, we call it wow, or yeah, or the alif, we have like different more variations of these letters, came up with total of 36 letters, okay? And also you can see here in this table, each Arabic letter, how it's like in the English and how we can say it, okay? So alif, ba, ta, okay, until the end of ya, okay? We have special characters, you can say it. We can say like special character, like this, we call it like ta marbuta, which is like a special marker indicating a feminine ending, combining the shapes of ha and ta, okay, of ha and ta. And this is only appears at the end of words. And we have this ya, but without dots, okay? We call it alif maqsura, like shortened alif, which is like a hybrid letter merging the forms of the letters alif and ya. And also this is only appears in word final positions. Okay, through the examples that we are going to represent, you are going to understand these words and how when they are connected, it will be written like if it's connected and it is the end of the word, it will be like this. And if no, there is more letters after this, it will be like open, like this. Okay? So to make things clear and to talk like in linguistic, we have like main terms of this, what we have seen. So we have what's called allographs, which is referred to the different shapes a letter can take based on its position in a word, like beginning, middle, or isolated. So this is the isolated ones. This is like in the initial, in the middle, and in the final, as I have explained. Okay, so for example, if we take like the Arabic letter ba, which has like different shapes, like this is the isolated, this is the initial, and this is the middle, and this is the final. Okay, and we have, like I said, allographs, and we have the graphemes. The graphemes. Graphemes refer to the individual letters or characters themselves, so regardless of their shape. So we have like this ba, okay, which is representing the sound P in Arabic. Okay, so this is the letter. Okay, so we have allographs, graphemes, and then we have the graphotactics, which is referred to the rules that determine how different allographs are selected based on the context within a word. So in Arabic, we have like the ba will change its shape depending on the whether it's like at the start of the or the middle or the end of the word. So we have this bait, which is like house in English, where the ba it is like initial form. Okay. When we talk about encoding, maybe we have different terms. Okay, so we have characters, which is like the abstract representation of letters in digital encoding. So the Unicode character of ba is like this one, and we are going to see this encoding stuff. Okay, and we have the glyphs, which is like the visual representation of, or specific shape of characters that appear in a font. So the visual shape of ba as it appears on screen or in print, which can like vary slightly depending on the font style used. And maybe people who are experiencing like when writing Arabic in Word, for example, they can see from different font style how this visual shape changes. Okay? Now we are moving to some things that are important, but it also like shows some difficulties when we deal with Arabic within like the computer. So we have this disconnected letters. Like you see, this we say like L, which is the. Okay. We see like here we have like disconnected, although it is considered in one word, but we have disconnected here. And these word parts are visually isolated of related letters formed by letter wide gaps, okay, that follow the letter. Even this word, the whole word, which is mean plant, you can see this. It's like a word, but we have like these spaces, okay? And actually, this idea of disconnected letters make it difficult for OCR system to accurately detect the word boundaries. And this is also can cause spelling errors. Okay. On the other hand, we need to see how the word is constructed, okay, by putting all letters together. So we have like this are the main letters, okay, in its isolated form. And because this letter came in the beginning, so we have to take the initial form of it. And this is in the middle. So this is the middle form of it. And this letter, it's at the end, so it should take the form of the end. Then we're just putting all letters together, forming one word, for example, Muhammad, which is a name. Okay, so this is just a small ideas, small concepts in Arabic script I wanted to represent for you, just to make maybe small understanding about it. So yes, Arabic alphabetical sorting order, which is very important. And I know there's like two or three, but I want just to focus on the shape-based order, which is the alphabet, which is clusters letters of similar shapes together. If you can see here, The only difference is with the dots. And here, again, the main difference is with the dots position here. Okay, so it clusters letters of similar shapes here. And yes, we have the main alphabetical alphabets, resulting in 28 letters, as you can see here. Okay, so now, now very important concept. Now we know that letters are always written because it is important, but its tashkil or in English diacritics are optional. Okay, so written Arabic can be fully diacritized or partially or entirely without any diacritic. So of course, in main books or articles, we need maybe to see partial of these tashkil. So let me just introduce you to the main three types of tashkil, where we have like the vowel. Okay, you can see its shapes. It's like this is called kasra, this is called fatha, and this is called dhamma. Okay, so this is the vowel diacritics represent Arabic's three short vowels. Okay, so it's like a, o, e. Okay, a, o, e. So this is like simple and like short vowels. We have no vowel, like this is called shadda and this is called sukun. And sorry for this like type of mistake. It should be sukun. Yeah. So this is like without any vowel. We have this, which is we call it tanween, okay, in Arabic. So this is only occur in the word final positions, okay, for the nouns, the adjective, the adverbs. So it's like so it like indicate the indefinites of the word, okay. So yeah, let's see the example here, and this is what's like special about Arabic. So from one word we can like from only the tashkil, because of the different positions, we can get like different meanings, totally different meanings. So if we use like this vowel, which is the kasra, with the sukun on this, it's ilm, which is means knowledge. And if we use like fatha in these first two letters, it's pronounced like alam, which is flag. Okay. If we put like here, which we call it like shadda and fatha, we say like allam, taught, okay? And if like we have this dhamma with kasra, ulim, which is known, okay? So yeah, from one word we have like four different words. Also, you can see here how different, more examples about it, how it has like the meanings and it is in English. Nice? Yeah. What about digits? Now, Arabic numbers are written in decimal system, and we have like the European and the Arabic Indic and the Eastern Arabic Indic. And this is mainly the Arabic numbers and the digits that we used in like Middle East, Eastern Arabic countries. Uh, so represented by these numbers, and this is the corresponding English digits. Okay. So what about Arabic encoding, input and display? We have multiple Arabic encodings starting from the ISO 88596 and CP1256, and this is among the most popular early 8-bit schemes, okay? These encodings support both English and the Arabic characters, accommodating a maximum of 256 symbols, okay? But we have with these two encodings like some compatibility issues. Agreeing only on the first 22 characters. So this overlap can cause like words to appear correct in both encodings, leading to some ambiguity. But the main or the current standard now is the Unicode. okay? Unicode for Arabic, which is the current standard, and it supports like a vast range of languages and include like extended set of Arabic characters. I showed one example for ba, yeah, and this is also how it's written, or the Unicode of ba, but in different forms. So this is the isolated, and we have like the beginning, the middle, and the final one, or the at the end of final form, as we call it. So yeah, this is pretty much about Arabic scripts. Uh, I will leave some resources for more readings about Arabic scripts, but I try to mention some main concepts in Arabic, so I hope that you find it useful. Thank you.